How to scan QR code that's on Android screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code that's on your Android phone screen. So maybe someone emailed you a QR code, it's on a website, something like that, rather than actually scanning it with the camera on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. And to get started, what we need to do is take a screenshot of the actual QR code. So make sure the QR code is visible on your screen. And then what you want to do is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time on your Android phone. And when you do it successfully, you'll see the little screenshot show up. So once the screenshot has been saved and that is gone away, we need to open up the Files app on our Android phone. So just swipe up and in the list of apps here, find Files, select that. And then what we need to do, it might be in your most recent where you see the QR code. It might also be in Images where you can select the QR code. And then once you view the screenshot of your QR code at the bottom, you should see a little search icon. Select that. And then as you can see, if I tap the QR code, it's going to open up the contents of the QR code. I can also see it showing me what the web address or the contents of that QR code was right there. Now, if that didn't work for you for some reason, don't worry. There's an easy way to do it, and that's going to be to use a free website that I created called qrcodegadget.com. Now, I created qrcodegadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that is very private. It doesn't require you to upload any files or give any access to a server. All the QR tools on this website work directly in the browser on your phone or computer, so it's very private. Check the description, I have a link to it down there. But once you get to qrcodegadget.com, select QR code decoder, and then in here, select choose image, and we're going to find the screenshot that we took of that QR code, select it, and then select done. And then it should say QR code decoded successfully. Scroll down, and then it will show you the contents of that QR code. And then you can select copy. And then once you copy it, if it's a web address, you can open up a new tab in your browser and just paste it in and then select go, and it'll take you to whatever website that was. So that's how you scan a QR code that's on your actual Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.